Last class, you have learned sexual cycle in females. In this class, we will see birth control methods and sexually transmitted diseases. This will be a last part of this lesson. Next class, we will see new chapter.
Let's say birth control. You know our country is developing country. Day by day, the population of our country is increasing very fastly. Though our country has sufficient food resources, but still many people do not get enough food for their large families due to poverty. So every year it is very difficult for our government to provide sufficient food, adequate clothing and housing and proper education to every citizen of our country. It is therefore very important for the couples who are in the reproductive stage to control their size of the families by practicing family planning through birth control measures. If a couple has less number of children, it can provide hygienic food and good education to each child. This will make the parents as well as the children happy. So small family is a happy family. Family planning can be done by practicing birth control measures. Birth control can be done by preventing pregnancy in females. A number of techniques or methods have been introduced to prevent pregnancies in women. Now we will see birth control methods. The prevention of pregnancy in women is called contraception. Any device or chemical, that means drugs, which prevents pregnancy in female is called contraceptive. On the whole, birth control methods can be categorized into three. They are barrier method, chemical method and surgical methods. Let's see one by one. First one is barrier method. This method is used to prevent unwanted pregnancy by using devices such as condoms and diaphragm, cervical caps and valves. Condoms are used by both males and females. It is made up of thin rubber or latex sheath to cover the penis in males and cover the vagina and cervix in females. Condoms prevent meeting of sperm and ovum. It is also provide protection from sexually transmitted diseases. Condoms are disposable. This is also called as Nirodh in Hindi. Diaphragm, cervical caps and valves are used by females. These are made up of rubber that are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix. These are reusable and also provide protection from sexually transmitted diseases. Let's see chemical methods. This also helps to prevent unwanted pregnancy. Usually, the females use two types of pills. They are oral pills and vaginal pills, which are made of specialized drugs. The oral pills contain small doses of either progesterone or progesterone estrogen combinations. These pills stop the ovaries from releasing ovum into the fallopian tube. Oral pills are also called oral contraceptives. This is very effective method of preventing pregnancy. Those who are consuming oral pills face the few side effects because they change the hormonal balance in the body. So it is important that the women on pills have regular checkups with their doctor. Next one is vaginal pills. Vaginal pills contains the chemicals called spermicides which kill the sperms. Let's see IUCD, that is intrauterine contraceptive device. This device also called copper T. This device is introduced into the uterus through vagina by doctors or expert nurses. This is very effective in preventing pregnancy. This device suppresses the sperm motility and fertilizing ability of sperm by releasing copper ions. This also prevents the implantation of fertilized egg in the uterus. Let's see surgical method of contraception. This method is otherwise called as sterilization method. This method is used by male and female to prevent any more pregnancies. This method blocks the transport of gametes and prevent contraception. In males, a small portion of the sperm duct is removed by surgical operation and both the cut ends are tied properly. This surgical method is called as vasectomy. In females, a small portion of the fallopian tubes is removed by surgical operation and the cut ends are tied. This prevents the ovum from entering into the fallopian tubes. This surgical method is termed as tubectomy. Let's see sexually transmitted diseases. It is otherwise called as venereal diseases or reproductive tract infections. STDs means the diseases which are spread by sexual contact with an infected person. Some common STDs are gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, HIV or AIDS, hepatitis B, etc. STDs which are caused by bacteria are curable, but STDs which are caused by viruses are not curable. The most common symptoms of these sexually transmitted diseases are burning sensation at urination, passing of urethral discharge, and sores in the genitals. AIDS disease is caused by a virus called HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. AIDS damages the body's immune system so that the body becomes weak and cannot protect itself against even common infection. So, AIDS is a very dangerous disease which leads to death. No definite cure has been found for the AIDS disease so far.